10 instead of another sources of wisdom that are not available in the ordinary state of consciousness. They show that either a radically different perspective on the everyday reality, or they show us normally invisible.
Right, we're back in the camper. Things are a little more gutted than they were before. So I've completely ripped out the entire kitchen. I kind of had to, because of this rot and this mold in here. This entire piece was completely rotten, so I bought a 2x2 from Home Depot. We've got these screws coming in through up here where they screwed in the awning, and as you can see, the wood is so gone, it's literally like gone. There should be wood there, there isn't. And this wood is a sponge-like material now. It's no longer real wood. So those will have to be replaced on both sides as well. So, and there's all the DC wiring that I'll have to manage. All the AC wiring in here that I'll also have to re-put up. I'm probably going to put it there, just because all the wiring comes in at that point. So if I can just take all those wires and tidily put them into a spot right there, that would be perfect. So I've been working on this camper for 2 months now, and it's been way more work than I was expecting. Basically been in here every day, except for when I went to Montreal, and then I formatted my memory card that had the videos that I had on here for what I was working on. I've put in quite a bit of the floor, but I'm having trouble around this one section back here. Over here is the newly discovered problem that stopped me working on the floor. That's gone. So I need to replace this section of floor, which I already did over there, because the same thing happened over there. But now that's replaced, and that took pretty much an entire weekend, so I'm going to have to do that again too. I did some wiring. I put up both the AC panel, and I built this little DC panel. Wiring's not quite done, but I've got one light wired in so far. Yay! So when this is done, I'll be able to switch on and off all the different parts of the camper. Wait, I have to open the vent first, otherwise it doesn't turn on. Oh, and then I have to actually turn on the fan circuit. And there it goes. This camera's killing me. It's so much work. Unbelievable. I hope it's going to be worth it. I don't know if I'll have it ready for next weekend, which is when the Solstice Festival is happening, and I was hoping to be able to sleep in here, even if it was just walls and floor. And power, which is nice to have when you're dry camping. But I don't know if that's going to happen. Over here we have one of the solar panels, which is a 200 watt panel. I just have the wiring running into the window for now. That looks like the start of a wasp's nest. That's probably not good. I don't think that was there before. It might have gotten a little closer. This part is still too far. That is just not going in. Okay, now I gotta try and get this. This is about the right length scrap piece. Now I kind of have to eyeball. Why aren't you taking the toilet out, Luke? It'd be easier if you took the toilet out. Toilet's cracked. And I'm afraid of what I'm going to find under there. And I'm not going to be able to put it back if it's cracked until I get a new one. And then, what if the bolts fall down? What if the bolts are into something that once you take it out, the studs just won't go back in the same way? These are all nightmares I don't want to deal with right now. sand that out a bit. Hey! I mean, it's not perfect. I like to cut everything a little bit less than I need to, so that when I invariably cut it wrong, I can come back and just shave it down with a file and get it snug. Some precision work. I recommend getting these for reason number one, they've got a cool name, Bastard File. And then number two, they're handy for shaving off little bits of wood when you get that cut just a little too big. They come in round ones like this, or you can get flat ones too to do a flat plane. It's probably better tools for this, but I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just